God, you're so pathetic, Frank.
No, man. Show us your music. Please, play us some of your music.
Thank you.
So what'd you guys think?
Sounds like it was made by like a cool frog.
I got like other songs.
Yeah, all right.
Song is awesome. Super gurgly. Hey, what's your band's name?
H-A-M-A-S.
Hamas? Dude, I'm not sharing a song by Hamas.
My life sucks! My band's named Hamas. My girlfriend broke up with me.
What happened?
It's complicated, but I wrote a song about it.
I cheated.
That's not complicated.
Oh, dude, there's a cop. Hey, sir.
Oh, come here.
Wait, this one's my fave. Check it out. This one's about my mom passing.
Then why does it sound like that?